Do you know how many years it takes to make the perfect Ford Mustang? 60. This 2024 5.0 GT is not just a pretty face, it has some guts. Every time I just tap the pedal, it wants to take off. I hold in my hands the Maroney sticker to this Mustang. It says $50,200. The average car in America right now costs $50,000. If I was going to spend the average amount, this would be the car to own. It's got a 5.0 Coyote engine in it with 480 horsepower. If you're going to drive on the roads every day and have fun and be proud, this would be a good car. It's got different modes on it. It's got sport mode, comfort mode. It's got drag racing mode, which is my favorite. I'll show you that later. But for $50,000, this would be the car I'd get. It even looks good in the dark, and it has a ground light logo, which is a nice touch. The dash displays some great graphics when switching into different modes.